Hey, Kirk here with Secret Nature. I am out in the middle of a soybean field with a little bit of last year's corn still creeping up. And I'm out here in Wisconsin. There's a reason I am in this particular field, and it has to do with GPS. See, I teach GPS classes to kids and the public, and whenever I teach them how to use a device, we're measuring latitude and longitude. And one of the cool things you see is that the latitude, that's the lines that are going this way like the rungs of a ladder, they always show that we're at 45 degrees latitude, 45 degrees north, that is. And that's kind of cool because if you look at how the things are divided, the equator is 0 and the North Pole is 90. That means even though Minnesota would claim to be sort of, in the Northland, and there's been some call to make Minneapolis the capital of the North, really we're only halfway to the North Pole. That makes it plenty cold in the winter, but we're really only halfway. So it's kind of cool to see that we're halfway. It's not really a magical number or anything, but people like to see that, we're at that 45th parallel. So that's pretty cool. Now, something else kind of neat is when you look at the how far east or west we are. Those are the longitude lines that go north and that go from north to south, going this way. We're at about 93 where I live and work. Now, I'm further east now, though. I'm actually in the middle of Wisconsin here, and as I walk over here, I can show you something on the ground here, and I do have a shot of it I can cut in here as well. But there's a geological marker right there on the ground, and what it shows, right on this close-up right here, is that we are exactly 45 degrees north, and we are, if you look at it, 90 degrees west. So when you think about how the rest of everything is broken up, 0 is on the prime meridian in Greenwich, and then you can go west 180 degrees or you can go east 180 degrees. There are only 4 points on Earth where you will be at 4590. The ones in the southern hemisphere are all out in the ocean. In the northern hemisphere, the 2 that are in the northern hemisphere here, one is in Wisconsin, where I am right now. The other one is somewhere, I believe, in China, very remote location, not really easy to get to. So this is actually one of the ones that you can actually get to and see. So it's just kind of a cool thing. This is kind of the middle of nowhere, though. So if you are driving through Wisconsin and you want to check it out, you can see it. I believe I am in, there is a sign here, Retbrock, R-E-I-T-B-R-O-C-K, Retbrock, Wisconsin, in Marathon County. That's where I am, but it's kind of a cool thing to stop by and see.